has been a journey full of experiences, good and bad. And bad experiences, I've taken them in a stride and learned from it with the support of everyone present here. Yeah. And I would not like to take the credit of whatever I've been able to achieve just to myself, but it has been a mix of great mentors and good team members and people who've been in the extended HR team, who've been there to support me and help me whenever I needed. Just to mention a couple of you guys who I am absolutely a fan of, I would start with the content development team. I think the kind of work they do is awesome. It's just a thought which is expressed pictorically or visually, and it is just an amazing thing that they do day in, day out. An appreciation, heartfelt appreciation goes out to you guys, the three of you. You're rock solid. You are an awesome team. The way you guys have stood for each other in times which have not been so supportive. I have seen all of that. I have seen your struggles. I've seen your pains. I understand what you guys feel and take every day. And I have a different level of appreciation for you, all of you. That's Mayank and Sajal and Manish. Yogesh is not a part of that team anymore, but yes, he's truly missed, and I'm a fan of your work. Next up, I'll talk about the LNC team. I'm shivering and I'm not in my senses practically. But when I came, I saw that the ER team and the linguistics team was not really getting along really well with each other. But Priya here, Varun, who's not a part now, but Danny and myself, I think all four of us, just forgot everything whatever was in the past, and we were able to move along as a good team and as a team that was united. So I think that helped a lot in terms of understanding, appreciating each other, and relating to each other's pain areas. I think that is there in terms of the LNC team. The recruitment team, I'm a big fan of Deepa Nair. She's not here today, but big fan. I think the way she has single-handedly manned recruitment is kudos. Simple kudos to her. Manu and Sufyan, rock solid again. Superstars, champions in the making is what I feel for them. Recruitment being their key area, I hope that they contribute as much as they can, and it's a measurable quantity. So then I think they'll be able to prove their mettle in times to come. Concierge team, very very dear to my heart. Especially Umesh and Puneet, for reasons that we would not want to discuss here. But yeah, in terms of Punnu and War, my favorite team members from Concierge. But Ekta, Homa, all Sagar, everybody has potential. And I'm glad that you guys are letting me talk this much. Thank you so much. But I just feel that there's a lot of untapped potential in that Concierge team. All you guys need to do is please pass on my message and tell them to stick together. That's the strength of that team. Shiv, Pranshu, yes, I have had an opportunity to work with probably the rising stars of ER. Shiv, wherever you go, you will excel in it because you have a different approach to the work that you do. And it's amazing to see sheer talent, your pure awesomeness. That is what you are. Pranshu, I think you have a lot of zest, you have a lot of creativity. I'm talking a lot, but they'll let me know that, please. To my mentors, Urvashi, Kush, Samir, I've not interacted with you that much. Gaurav, in a very short span of time, I think Gaurav, you've reached out to me, you've counseled me, shared feedback, and I really appreciate you for that. Kush and Urvashi, maybe I was not the kind of resource who you were looking forward to. Probably I didn't live up to my standard, but yes, I will take this as an opportunity and probably do better in the next organization that I join. My favorite mentor has always been Arun Chauhan, and not to negate Anubhav's contribution in my making, but the way he has related to my pain and been able to get the best out of me in the last few days when I was probably going through a big turmoil. I think I really owe a lot of my sanity in the past 1.5-2 months to you. You are a great visionary, and in terms of a mentor, I think I couldn't have asked anything better. So thank you so much. Thank you all for being here.